So this guide shows you how to download and install Signal on your iPhone. So what you need to do is you first need to locate the App Store, which is the blue and white icon there. Tap on that. And then in the bottom right hand corner here you've got a search button. So just tap the search button there and then tap the little bar just below search. And then the keyboard should come up and then type Signal in there. Signal. And then hopefully you should see there Signal or Signal Messenger. So tap on that or just tap search. And here we go. It's the blue and white icon there, Signal. So just tap get just there. Now this bit might take a bit of time, or you might get this sort of screen come up here. So just tap install. Here also you might be asked for your Apple ID password. So if it asks you for that, then type that in. And then tap sign in, and there we go. It should now start downloading. Now it might also ask you to use Touch ID to start downloading the app. If it does, just follow the instructions on screen. And here we go, it's now downloading. Now this bit, like I say, can take a while, so please be patient with it. Just depends on the speed of your internet connection and also your iPhone. Okay, so as you can see, mine's now downloaded, so just tap open. So here it asks you whether you want to look at the privacy policy. That's up to you. You can tap terms and privacy policy, or if you just want to motor on like me, just tap continue. So it then asks you to enable permissions. So basically let's just tap enable permissions there. Now it's saying Signal would like to access your contacts. Now it needs to access your contacts to find out who you know that's also on Signal to match them up. You can say don't allow to this if you want, but it just means that you'll have to manually input anybody's details who are on Signal to be able to contact them. So I'm just going to tap OK on there because it's just easier for me to say OK to this. And then it says Signal would like to send you notifications. Well, it's best to tap allow on this because if you do get any messages from anyone and you've not allowed it, then you won't see the messages. So we tap allow on there too. Okay, so it asks us now to enter in our phone number. So I'm just going to do that. So I've entered in the phone number and I'm just going to tap next. And now it said it sent a code to our mobile number. And it's asking us to type that in. And there you go, I've typed in the code and now it's asking for our name. So I'm just going to type that in, and then when I've typed that in, I'll just press done. And then I'll just press save. And it's asking us to create a PIN now, so I'm just going to do that and then just tap next. And then it's asked us to confirm the PIN, so I'm just going to do that and I'm just going to tap next. And there we go. So it now says Signal would like to find and connect devices on your local network. So I'm just going to say OK to that. And there we go. So it's now installed. And all I need to do is I just need to tap on the pencil just up there in the top right hand corner of the screen to select one of my contacts and start sending them messages or make video calls or voice calls. Or if I want to send a picture to someone, I can just tap on the camera just to the left of the pencil. So there you go, that guide showed you how to download and install Signal on your iPhone. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.